This next tool is called the Cornell Notes template. And I believe it was developed by Cornell University, and it is evidence-based in that research shows that it is one of the most effective ways of taking notes. Let's take a look. Here's the format. You have your subject at the top, you've got your name, which is actually supposed to be over here, the date and what class you're in. There's a column on the left for the key words. So this could be, the heading titles or definition terms or key concepts. So you write the keyword over here, and then in the notes section in your own words, because we know that paraphrasing turns it from a passive to an active process and helps your librarian actually put the books in the bookshelves. So here, if the keyword is solid, over here, the quick brief notes are solids have a definite shape and have a definite volume. The rationale for laying out the keywords in a column over here and the data in a different column over here is that it then becomes that much more fast to visually scan and find the key concept that you're looking for because it's easy to find with lots of nice blank space, as opposed to if you wrote it all the way to the margin, it just looks like a big, huge wall of text. And especially after a brain injury, all that visual data can be overwhelming. And at the bottom of each shape, there's a summary where you can, in your own words, summarize the key points that you have gleaned from that class. This tool can be used in conjunction with the SQ3R reading method, which we reviewed in another video. And for bonus points, you can use your Live Scribe Echo Smart Pen to record what you hear while you are writing the keywords and your paraphrased notes. If you don't know about the Live Scribe Echo Smart Pen, go watch a YouTube tutorial. It captures audio as you are writing, and then when you use your special pen and click back on keywords, it will play the audio that was recorded at the time you were writing that keyword or symbol. You can then upload your notes and convert it into digital text. So that's Cornell Notes template. Here's the blank version. You don't even necessarily have to print out this template every time. Even omitting the lines, just use that format and make sure there's lots of nice spacing to give your brain that easy ability to scan for the keywords that you want to find in a timely manner. The other writing aid I use pretty often is I just call it my video or article summary sheet, and I designed this for YouTube videos or research articles. It's just another way of capturing information. So you can record the date, the subject, the title of the article, who the author is, or what the website URL is where you got it. So you have all of that nice source information. You can write down the key points, and then here in the other column are any questions you have, or this makes me think of whatever, or it reminds me of this, or here are follow-up questions, or I want to clarify this with my professor. So this is just a simple tool to help you kind of organize your thoughts in a different way, but compartmentalize it so make it easy for you to find later and for your brain to just group nicely. So that's it, just a nice quick video today. Even if those graphic aids aren't perfect for exactly what you need, can they be adapted or modified to make it work? That's the nice thing about using these templates and graphic organizers. You can adapt them to just make them work for you or tweak them and add or delete whatever you do or don't need. Good luck and go get them, Tiger.